Hi, my name's Adam and today I'm going to be showing you how to perform the lockout tagout procedure on a customer's site to ensure the equipment is at a zero energy state. When on site, please complete any site inductions required. Now we have signed in on site, please make sure before starting work we complete the point of work risk assessment and have our safety first card on us at all times. When we are completing the point of work risk assessment, we need to visually check on the manufacturer's plate that it is under 600 volts. Now we need to check our tools for any damage. We need to check there is no damage to the insulation. We also need to check they are good for 1000 volts. Remove any jewellery or conductive materials. Now check the integrity of the gloves by rolling them like this. Now we need to check the equipment is properly grounded. To do this, we need our proximity pen and our proving unit. If we do not have a proving unit, we need to check it as a non-live source. Now we know the proximity pen is working, we can check the equipment is not live. Go back to our proving unit or non-live source to check the pen is correctly working. Before switching the isolator off, please make sure you shut down the equipment using the correct procedure. Now we have checked our tools, we need to place our insulated mat down on the floor. Always remember to look away when switching the isolator off. Now we need to install the padlock. Make sure before installing the padlock we fill in all details on the tag. Also ensure it's only got one key. Now the lock is in position. If there is more than one engineer working on the equipment, each engineer should install a padlock. Now we have the equipment locked out, we need to prove that we have zero energy state. Okay, now let's check our voltage meter is working. If you do not have a proving unit, please test your voltage meter at a known live source. First, we need to check we have no voltage between earth and each phase. So now we've done that, let's do phase to phase. If the equipment has a neutral, we need to test between neutral and earth and neutral to each phase. Now we have done that, we need to go back to our proving unit to check our voltage meter is still correctly working. Okay, now we know the machine is at zero energy state. Remove our gloves and carry out any works on the machine required. Once the work is complete, we need to close all panels and let the customer know we are re-energizing the system. Now we can remove the lock. Now we need to check the integrity of our gloves again. Ensure you look away when turning the isolator back on. Now let's check the machine is correctly grounded. Now we know the work is complete and the system is re-energized and correctly grounded, we can turn the machine back on. Before leaving site, make sure you leave your work area clean and tidy.